Sorry about the audio, guys. I didn't realize it was kind of giving me some malfunction issues with the headphones, so we'll just do away with those. And we're going to come out and scout a couple locations that I have just south of Pueblo. That tattoo laser hand. And see if we can get in that water. A lot of the times, if it's private property or kind of a designated location, you can't really get in the water. Alright guys, so the first two reservoirs are definitely out of the question. They ended up being some type of like water treatment things. They're just a little closer to town than I had anticipated, so I ended up going past them like 75 miles an hour. Didn't really realize what they were until now. On the side, what do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie, 'cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down. Alright guys, so we're getting closer towards the, I don't know what you would say, the top, but it's where they have the reservoir, Lake Lake Isabel. So we're gonna check it out here.
No, right now, right there where the ramp is for the boats that they rent out, and that it's locked up, and that restaurant is closed and the cabins are closed. So the only thing I can tell you, if you try, because they got people manning for the
like
camping,
the little terminal.
Yeah. So I don't know if they would. I don't have a the kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So
let me go do some. Let me
you
go
can
check.
Go ask them.
And it's just down this way. Okay. So right now we're gonna actually go try to locate the park officials, because from experience, you don't just want to put in the water. And so, like I had mentioned, guys, you don't just want to be putting in the water anywhere. There is a fee area, and the speed limit's 15 miles an hour. Definitely don't let them see you vlogging. You just want to try to be professional about the things that you do, especially when you're vlogging in areas. For now, I think their terminal is right here. Is the lady. How are you? Oh, I'm doing well. So I didn't want to just set my watercraft in arbitrarily, without permission. So I wanted to see what the procedures were.
It's $7 for a day permit.
Okay. Okay, let's do the, let me get $7 here. Oh, you guys managed to fill all the vacancies on the camping. Nice, good. So here's the 5, 6, 7.
Okay. And be sure and put this one sticker out so they don't try and give you another, or give you a ticket.
Okay, perfect. What was your name?
My name's Lori.
Thank you, Miss Lori, I appreciate it. So I'll put this here.
Yep, with the date out.
Date out, verification, the guest pass for $7 today.
Yep.
All right, Miss Lori, thank you.
It was nice meeting you.
You as well. You have a good shift. Here, the boat dock, which they said it didn't matter, but I'm still gonna try to dock right here where it's safest. I reached the water level. It's actually pretty warm. I'd say maybe 65, 70 degrees, a little warmer, colder. And it's really nice. There's a dock back here in this area. That's where I was able to board my watercraft. And I'm just seeing a fish jump. It's really beautiful out here. Perfect. I mean, for $7, really it doesn't get any better than this, This right here is a pretty good sign that it's time to go. That's what you don't want to get caught up in. And what looks like we have, so we're out.